Hi guys, and welcome back to Crafternoon Miss Jamie here. So I thought of this creative project called Mosaic Hearts. And mosaic is when you do pieces and you piece them together to make like a design. So some people use paper like we are today. Sometimes they use tiles, rocks, buttons. It's really cool. You can use all kinds of supplies. So I want to say hi to Miss Melissa and Miss Brookie. They are super fans and they come and they get our art projects a lot. And they do them with their grandma and their mom and their dad, and they're having a lot of fun. So I want to say thank you. Thank you so much. So, if you want to be called out on a video, ask your mom and dad if it's okay, or grandma and grandpa, and I will mention your name in the next video, okay? So, let's get started. So you guys are going to get one of each of these. So you're going to get 2 hearts. There's plenty of paper to actually use for both hearts. And I've gotten mine started to kind of move along the process. So there's a few ways that you can do this. You can take scissors and you can cut the paper into different shapes, which is really cool. You can tear it, okay? And you can add different things to it. So like I have crayons added to this one. So let's get started and show you how to put the pieces together. So when I was working on this, I found that it's easier to glue the paper and then stick it on. You'll have to tell me if you notice a difference on yours too. I did try to go all the way around, but the glue was actually drying out before I could get the paper stuck on there. So I changed my mind and did it this way. So I am actually making a pattern, an AB pattern. So these like flower leaves, stripes. So next would be flower leaves. It's kind of like a sunflower, I think it looks like. So, and you just pick any kind of like piece that you want to do, and then you glue it, and I like it. It's super fun. So what's really cool is each of our bags has different colors. So some have like a green, some have orange, some have blue, some have yellow, purples. It's pretty cool. You guys can go crazy. So I think it's pretty neat that you get a choice of colored paper. And we were actually lucky enough to get paper donated, so we are gonna enjoy it, right? Oops, I messed up my pattern, but that's okay. Silly me. I was explaining stuff to you and I did the wrong piece, but that's okay. So it'll be a surprise in the pattern, right? So there you go. What I try to do is get them to kind of touch each other or maybe overlap each other. So off screen, I'm gonna fill all of this in and you'll see the example when you come in to get your stuff. So I wanna explain this one to you. This one is, so you color and you add paper. So I colored a few in so you could see it, and then I added some paper and I'll show you. So you pick a section to color. You could actually do all the coloring first and then add the paper. I think it's kind of fun to do it this way, you know. So whatever color fancies me, I just, you know, do it. So, and then I'm gonna add paper, right? So kind of covering part of my swirly, and I'm gonna add some more design over here, go around my other swirly, okay? And then I'm gonna grab another color and I'm gonna color right in between them. I think it's pretty cool. So you just keep adding and you just keep building, and it goes out to your heart. You can fill it up as much as you want. There is no wrong way to do art, right? It's as creative as you want to go. You can make rainbows and flowers and everything. It's totally up to you guys. So don't forget, if you guys want your name shouted out on Crafternoon, let us know on Facebook underneath this post. Okay, thank you. Bye.